Today, I'll share with you two ETFs that you can buy right now and hold if you want to receive some incredible dividend income every single month. The first ETF is the Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF with the ticker SPHD. If you're looking for the companies with the highest dividend possible without too much risk, this ETF would be perfect for you. In fact, by investing in this ETF, you're investing in 50 of the 500 largest American companies in the entire market. And over the last 10 years, SPHD has returned on average per year about 10.40%. Plus, they are giving a great monthly dividend distribution of about 3.78% per month. And my second pick is the Invesco High Dividend Yield Financial ETF with the ticker KBWD. This company is investing in 41 of the largest and the highest dividend financial companies in the American market. And over the last 10 years, on average, this ETF has returned about 5.44% per year. But what is incredible about this ETF is their monthly dividend distribution of about 10.32% per month. Follow for more.